I really hope you're still recording, because if you're not, I'm not redoing any of this. Okay, so I'm in a mood, and we are going to continue this whole closet cleanup situation. Remy, do you want to come inside? Do you want to come inside? Or do you want to stay outside the room? I'm closing the, okay. Good girl. She's a good girl. Anyways, like I was saying, we're just gonna do some like the shirts that are hanging in my closet. We've got, okay, right off the bat, I have two black and white. This one is pretty old, but I like it a lot. But it has like a long torso, so I need to like wear it with a button up or like tuck it in to shorts. But I like both of them because I like the floral pattern. Like you have a plaid and a floral. This one is kind of like warm tone.
Are you sure about that?
Like it's kind of like an almost pink white. And like the black is like super vibrant, whereas this black isn't as. So honestly, I think I'm gonna keep them both. There's only a couple in here that I think I actually want to get rid of. I'm obviously keeping this one. A little extra large, flowy pineapple shirt. It's sick. It's literally the coolest thing ever. I've also had this one for a while, but I'm gonna keep it for right now.
I didn't hesitate.
Now, here we go. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I think I like this one more than I like this one. So I think this, I'm gonna donate. I don't know if you can hear the kids outside, but they're annoying. Next up, I think I'm gonna keep this one because I like that it has like the tans and the whites and like the browns, whereas this is just like red and white and black and blue. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one too. This one I'm keeping because it's awesome. This one I'm also keeping. I actually just got this, maybe September. So I'm obviously keeping that. Oh my god, this one is so cool. My aunt sent this to me as like a birthday gift this year, so like a month ago. It's got flamingos on it. Because I also have this one that has flamingos on it, and I have two-way choice with flamingos, so I think it's a win-win. I think I'm doing something right. Okay.
I'm by winning. I win here and I win there. Now what?
This is it for my short sleeves. So I'm gonna hang these back up, and we're gonna do long sleeves. Okay, I like this shirt. I like this shirt a lot, but I don't wear it. But I like the shirt.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking?
We're gonna keep it for now. Alright, I also don't wear this shirt, but I like this shirt. But this was one of my friends from college, and then I took it from them.
That's all y'all need.
So, it's mine now. But it's old. I don't need it. Same thing with this one. I don't need it. I've had this since high school. I barely wear it. I don't need this shirt. And it's like a weird material. It's like, it feels like almost like denim, but it's not. I don't know.
Clap if you care.
This one I'm absolutely keeping. It's freaking awesome. I got it for $8 at H&M, so. Hell yeah. I don't know. This was like my sister's and she was gonna give it away. She was gonna donate it and I was like, oh, I like this. It's like really soft. It's really soft, but I don't know. This will go into a maybe. I'll keep this one. I got this for my grandma for Christmas this year, and I like it. I haven't had enough chances to wear it, but like, it's good. All right, this one is fun.
Are you sure about that?
But I don't wear it that often because it's see-through, so you need to wear a shirt underneath it. But it's like good for the beach.
Don't do it.
Maybe. I like this one. I've worn it a couple times, and it's like thick. It's like a heavy duty. It's like real flannel.
The flavor, oh my god, it's so real. Like,
And there's foam on it because the entrance to the attic is in my closet.
Okay.
Anyways, I'll keep it. I'm keeping this. I've worn the hell out of this shirt. I love this shirt. This one still has the tags on it because I also got it for my grandma for Christmas, but I don't like it. I don't know if I'm ever actually gonna wear this, but I just got it. I got it like, I guess 4 months ago. We'll keep it for right now. We'll see if I wear it within the next year, I guess, because we're not really wearing flannels anymore. It's warm out. This one I'm also keeping. This one is sick. This one's awesome. I've had it for 5 years, probably 6 years. Great shirt, love it. A+. Okay. we're just going to hang these up as well and move on to the next section, which is sweaters. So I'm keeping this cardigan. This is from AmeriCorps. I got it when I did AmeriCorps, and it's awesome and I love it. And like, oh my god, because we got them as like the Christmas present or whatever, so like all the first semester of school when we were working at that school, we were just like waiting to get these cardigans. Every time like there was like a surprise like or whatever, we were like, is it the cardigans? But it never was. Aww. Until it was. Anyways, I'm keeping it. This one, where did I get this?
I don't care!
I got this at probably like a Goodwill or some thrift store. Back in college. I don't need this anymore. I don't really know how to, I don't really know how to dress this. It's like, it's very 2015, which is probably when I got it. I'm obviously keeping this. This is my grandfather's, this is my pop-ups. His Irish sweater, and it fits me perfectly, and I love it, and I think of him every time I wear it, so I'm never getting rid of this. Aww. Although one time I did dye my hair, so I dyed my hair red in college, like pink, like magenta. It was like a deep pink. And I wore that to school like a couple days afterwards, and like a little bit of the hair dye like just like stained because it's pink hair dye, so like it stains anything it touches, even if your hair is dry. And so I like had to like get a little bit of like the paint off of the neckline, but it's gone now, so it's cool.
Is that true?
This sweater is too small for me, but it would look really cute with one of the skirts that I have. Like, let me show you. We'll put that in the maybe, and then I'll show you afterwards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm keeping this. I got this at a Goodwill outlet in college where you like dig through the bins and then you pay by the pound.
Bitch, you got $1?
It was awesome. I love this sweater a lot. I wear it a lot actually. But there's a little bit of like a hole right here and on this side as well. But I'm not getting rid of this. I just got this sweater for Christmas and I like it a lot, so I'm not getting rid of it.
Oopsie doopsie, I muffed it up again!
This was the first sweater I've ever thrifted. I got this freshman year of college. Aww. I had a Goodwill. This holds sentimental value. And I still wear this sweater, so there's no reason to be sentimental because I still wear it. I'm not getting rid of you. You're beautiful. Joffrey Bean. This is a good sweater from Banana, I think. Nope, J. Crew. And I still wear it pretty often. It's like really nice in the winter, but it's like full wool, so it's super scratchy and itchy. But it's also like, I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but it's like fraying at the bottom. And it's dry clean only. But I love it. This sweater, this one's good. This sweater actually looks really good with that red plaid button up with like the collar coming out. It's good. I like the like little bit of yellow. Very fun.
No, it's true. It's true.
Okay, here's a real one. It's a little bit of a pit stain, but I got this at Salvation Army. It's Dolce & Gabbana. I paid $20 for it at Salvation Army, so who knows if it was real or not.
Is it real?
But it feels like a decent material for a shirt. There's a little bit of staining on the wrists that I can't get out from the previous owner. But it's like so like 2005 like graphic design, like the graphic shirt, like if only it was like studded. Oh my god, that would have been so funny. But I'm keeping it. I think it's real. It feels real to me.
The flavor, oh my god, it's so real, like.
And that's what matters. Okay, let me hang these up. I really hope you're still recording, because if you're not, I'm not redoing any of this. These are jackets. I have work shirts. I'll just scratch my butt. I've got work shirts on the other side, so let's go through those. There's probably only like a couple in here that I would actually want to get rid of. Here's like a black one, a solid black work shirt, or not work shirt, solid black like button up. Keeping, oh, this one is really cool actually. but I don't have any ties that really match it, so it's difficult to wear, but it's a good one, and it's like a quick dry material. It's not like regular shirt material. I'm also keeping this. This is the shirt that I walked across graduation with. I'm in college. So my mom like mailed this to me basically as like a gift or whatever, but she was in like J. Crew, I guess. And she saw this and she was like, this is the ugliest shirt I've ever seen. Jack's gonna love it. So then she like sent a picture, she like texted a picture of me. She's like, do you like this? And I was like, yes.
No.
That shirt's insane.
I said
And
no.
so she got it for me. And I wore it on graduation. Very fun. Not getting rid of that. Here's a big one. Fun fact, it has tomato sauce stains somewhere. Oh, right here. It's like splatters of tomato sauce stains because my aunt dropped a spoon and it splattered on me.
Dada.
One day. That was rude. That was really rude of her, actually. She probably did it on purpose. Yeah, I'll keep this one. This one might be going because it's very tight on me, and also these are like, it's white with like blue, little tiny blue dots, but around the pits, it's like pit stained, but it's like blue pit stained because the blue dots are like bleeding. So I think it's time to get rid of this. Also, it's like really tight on me. Here's just like another white button up. Here's another white button up with like a pattern on it. So this can like replace that one. This is good.
We see each other. We good.
This is like my casual white button-up shirt because it's like thick. It's from American Eagle, so it's not like super nice, but it's like this thick material, so the wrinkles aren't like as noticeable as this one. And it's also like, this is like a work shirt. This is more of like a casual shirt, so it's like if it's wrinkled, it doesn't matter.
Same old fucking shit.
But I've had it for years, and there's a little bit of a pit stain. So I can only wear it if I promise not to raise my arms. And like makeup has sort of like stained the collar. We're keeping it. We're gonna be crazy. Okay, I'm getting rid of this. This is a Michael Kors shirt. I just don't need it. And it's got like you can roll up the sleeves, then it has like a button to like keep the sleeve like rolled up, you know?
No, no, no.
I don't need it. Here's another one. It's very Eastery.
It's gonna take a miracle.
But I don't really need it, and I don't want it.
From God.
And I've had it for years. I've worn it. Like, I've gotten my fair share of wears out of it. My grandma got it for me, like, probably 5 years ago. So, we're donating it. Here's a little lilac, little lavender. Beautiful one. It's got a little bit of pit stain, but what can I say? I've got sweaty pits. Keeping this shirt. I never wear it though, but I'm keeping it. This shirt I love. This is probably my favorite shirt. Yeah. I love this one. Okay, so one of these shirts, I took it to the dry cleaners and then the buttons started disintegrating. Yep, it's this one.
Oh.
So the buttons are kind of like falling apart a little bit. Not falling apart, like they're still very sturdy, but it's like, they are rough. They're not a smooth button anymore. I'll keep it. Why not? Here's like a navy one. Yeah, we'll keep it. And then here's like a lighter navy that we're also keeping for right now, I guess. I'm not mad at this. I got rid of like 3 shirts. That's pretty good. So let's hang these back up. Okay, so as of right now, I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more things. That's pretty good. And then there's like a couple of maybes over there that I'll have to figure out. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that.